Hey there, future online entrepreneurs. Ready to unlock the secrets to online business success? You're in the right place. I'm about to share insider tips that most gurus keep under wraps. We'll uncover how to build a thriving online business using completely free tools. Get ready to ditch the expensive courses and unlock your true potential. Many people think starting an online business requires a ton of money. That's simply not true. You can achieve incredible things with the right knowledge and a little elbow grease. We'll explore proven strategies and free tools to kickstart your journey to online success. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a sustainable business. We'll dive deep into lead generation, content creation, and monetization strategies. By the end, you'll be equipped to build your own online empire. So, buckle up and get ready to learn. Let's dive into the world of online business and unlock your path to success. Building a successful online business doesn't require expensive software. In fact, some of the most powerful tools are completely free. Let's explore your free toolbox, Google Analytics. This Powerhouse tool provides invaluable insights into your website traffic. You can track visitors, analyze their behavior, and understand what content resonates most. This data is crucial for making informed decisions to grow your business. MailChimp email marketing remains a cornerstone of online success. MailChimp allows you to collect leads, segment your audience, and automate email campaigns. Building strong relationships with your subscribers is key to driving sales. Canva. Creating visually appealing graphics is essential for any online business. Canva offers a user-friendly interface and a plethora of templates to design stunning visuals for your website, social media, and marketing materials. WordPress. This popular content management system powers millions of websites worldwide. It's user-friendly, customizable, and offers a vast library of plugins to enhance your website's functionality. Before launching your online business, it's crucial to identify your ideal customer. Who are you trying to reach? What are their pain points? Understanding your target audience is paramount to crafting a message that resonates. Google Trends. This powerful tool allows you to analyze search trends and identify popular keywords related to your niche. This helps you understand what your target audience is searching for online. Social media insights, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer valuable insights into your audience demographics, interests, and online behavior. Use this data to refine your marketing efforts and target your ideal customer effectively. By understanding your ideal customer's needs, desires, and online behavior, you can tailor your content, products, and marketing messages to resonate deeply with them. This targeted approach will yield higher engagement and ultimately, more conversions. Remember, trying to appeal to everyone often means appealing to no one. Focus on attracting the right people who will truly benefit from your offerings. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any online business. It's about attracting potential customers and capturing their information so you can nurture them into paying customers. Two essential tools for effective lead generation are lead magnets and landing pages. Lead magnets offer valuable content like ebooks, checklists, or templates in exchange for your website visitors' email address. This entices them to subscribe to your email list, giving you the opportunity to nurture them with valuable content and offers. Landing pages. These are dedicated pages designed to convert visitors into leads. They feature a clear call to action, minimal distractions, and focus on a specific offer or lead magnet. A well-designed landing page can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. Section 5. Affiliate marketing, earning without investing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. It involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Numerous affiliate programs are available, catering to various niches and industries. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and provide genuine value. When promoting affiliate products, focus on providing valuable content that educates your audience and helps them make informed decisions. Transparency and authenticity are key to building trust and driving conversions. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative income stream, especially when combined with other monetization strategies. By leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, you can generate revenue while providing value to your audience. Section 6. AdSense and YouTube. Monetize your content. If you enjoy creating content, monetizing your work through platforms like AdSense and YouTube can be a viable option. AdSense allows you to display targeted ads on your website, while YouTube offers monetization through ad revenue and channel memberships. AdSense. By placing AdSense code on your website, Google will display relevant ads to your visitors. You earn a small fee every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The key is to drive traffic to your website and ensure your content is engaging enough to keep visitors on your site. YouTube. creating engaging video content on YouTube can be a lucrative endeavor. As your channel grows and you amass subscribers, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. By consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, you can turn your passion for content creation into a sustainable income stream. Section 7. Social media mastery, building a loyal following. Social media platforms are powerful tools for connecting with your target audience, building a loyal following, and driving traffic to your website. By consistently providing valuable content and engaging with your followers, you can establish a strong online presence. Choose the right platforms, focus on the platforms where your target audience spends their time. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, tailor your content and engagement strategies to each platform's unique audience and features. Content is king. Provide valuable, informative, and entertaining content that resonates with your audience. Use a variety of formats such as text posts, images, videos, and live streams to keep your content fresh and engaging. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations with your followers. Building relationships with your audience is crucial for fostering loyalty and turning followers into customers. Section 8. Email marketing magic. Nurturing leads into customers. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads, build relationships with your audience, and drive sales. By segmenting your email list and providing valuable content tailored to each segment's interests, you can personalize the user experience and increase conversions. Welcome series. Create a series of automated emails that welcome new subscribers, introduce them to your brand, and provide valuable content that addresses their pain points. Promotional emails promote your products, services, or affiliate offers through targeted email campaigns. Segment your list based on past purchases, interests, or engagement levels to ensure your offers are relevant to each recipient. Value-driven content. Provide consistent value to your subscribers by sharing informative blog posts, helpful tips, exclusive discounts, or early access to new products or services. Section 9. Content is king. Creating valuable content that converts. Content marketing is essential for attracting your target audience, establishing your expertise, and driving traffic to your website. By creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content, you can position yourself as a thought leader in your niche and attract a loyal following. Know your audience, understand your target audience's pain points, interests, and the information they are actively seeking. Tailor your content to provide solutions, insights, and value that resonates with their needs. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is using to search for information online. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content to improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, or SERPs. Promote your content, share your content on social media, email lists, and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with readers in the comments section and address any questions or feedback they may have. Section 10. SEO secrets. Getting found online. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for ensuring your website ranks well in search engine results pages and attracts organic traffic. By optimizing your website's content and technical elements, you can improve your visibility and attract more potential customers. Keyword optimization. Incorporate relevant keywords into your website's content, meta descriptions, and title tags. This helps search engines understand what your website is about and improves your chances of ranking for those keywords. Backlinks. Earn backlinks from other reputable websites in your niche. Backlinks act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your website is a trustworthy source of information. Technical SEO. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and provides a positive user experience. This includes optimizing your website's code, structure, and navigation. Section 11. The power of networking. Building relationships for success. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, influencers, and potential customers is essential for online business success. Networking can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and valuable insights that can help you grow your business. Online communities. Join online forums, social media groups, and industry-specific communities to connect with like-minded individuals, share your expertise, and learn from others. Attend events. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and networking events to connect with people face-to-face. Build relationships and stay up to date on industry trends. Collaborate. Partner with other businesses or influencers in your niche to cross-promote your products or services. Reach a wider audience and leverage each other's strengths. Section 12. Analytics and tracking. Measuring your progress for growth. Tracking your website's performance and analyzing your data is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing your online business for growth. By understanding what's working and what's not, you can refine your strategies and maximize your results. Google Analytics. Use Google Analytics to track your website traffic, analyze user behavior, and identify areas for improvement. Monitor key metrics such as bounce rate, time on site, and conversion rates. Social media insights. Utilize the analytics dashboards provided by social media platforms to track your engagement, reach, and follower growth. Identify your most popular content and tailor your future posts accordingly. A/B testing. Conduct A/B tests on your website and marketing materials to compare different versions and identify the most effective elements. This data-driven approach allows you to optimize your website for conversions and improve your overall performance. Section 13. Your journey to online success starts today. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and dedication. But armed with the right knowledge and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can achieve your online business goals. Remember to focus on providing value to your audience, building strong relationships, and consistently creating high-quality content. By leveraging the power of free tools and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can set yourself up for online success. So, take action today. Start building your website, creating your content, and connecting with your target audience. The world of online business awaits, and the possibilities are endless.